Hey everyone, welcome back to another Internet Guru. Today I'll show you how to set up MT4/MT5 alerts on your phone. So let's get started. First, open MetaTrader 4 or 5 and log in. Then go to the top right side and click on the Tools option. From the drop-down, click Options. Next, click on the Notifications tab. Now check the box for Enable Push Notifications and also check the two other boxes. Then enter your MetaQuotes ID. To find your MetaQuotes ID, open MetaTrader 5 on your mobile, then go to the top left corner and click on the three lines. Click Settings, then scroll down to Messages. Here you'll see your MetaQuotes ID. Copy it, then paste it into the desktop app and click OK. And you're done. That's it. Thanks for watching another Internet Guru. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell so you never miss a daily drop.